Okay, we just got it. Holy shit, guys. Okay, well, let's go eat. Because this was fucking stupid. Fucking 20 minutes, 20 plus minutes. It is 2. My watch is 2 minutes slow, so 2:27. 2:27. And I ordered this at 2:06. 2:06. I ordered it. 20 minutes for a fucking hamburger. Okay. Google Maps. Look for my review. This is going to be sick. And the kids are sitting there. Hi. Hang on. It's it right now. It's in Coco. So. So, みんな、こんにちは。
こんにちは。
春休み、楽しかった？はい。どうも。はい。ありがとう。Yeah, you can say, oh, YouTube. They all came running up. So. Okay, well, that made my day. Yesterday was shit. Today is not that great. But that was spectacular. That was a lot of fun. So, yeah. Uh-oh. Students again. Okay. I need a beer, guys. And I don't have one. I had to finish it. So. Oh. Arigato. Okay. So we're going to just park right here and flip you guys around. Hikari burger. Is it worth it? Let me pause this and get a shot. Okay, I've got my screenshots and thumbnails. So this sloppy little mess. Is it good? Is it no good? Fucking 20 minutes. Okay, I'm looking at the patty right now. It looks like a beef pork mix. Okay, I've never seen this before. The cheese is literally just a block of cheese. Literally just a block of cheese. Flavor is good. One hot, sloppy fucking mess. Not impressed, guys. change the scene a little bit, just so I'm not taking up the full screen, nomming and munching in your face. That cheese is very creamy, kind of like a camembert or something like that. I don't know if you heard that in the background, the Bosozoku art. Spring vacation 100% is here. The biker punks. AKA wannabe tough guys. Welcome to Kyushu. Okay, guys, we're gonna make our way to the train station because I gotta get my bus. We are going home. There. Oh, those kids are still there. They were so funny. That teenagers over here hiding in the back smoking. Classic. Johnny! Hi! Peace! Now, you can hear the wind, and there is a little bit of salt spray coming around. Let's cut this way. Sumo, if you're looking for rental, apartment rentals, or anything like that. They're gonna smoke something. Wait. They're advertising smoking. There's a smoking zone. But then there's no smoking. You must have a dedicated smoking area outside. Yeah, there it is. Actually, speaking of which, let's stop the camera for a second. So I'm going to use the washroom. Okay, out of the washroom. Let's make our way it's been an interesting day, guys. Okay, the burger itself, it was really tasty. I enjoyed it. I did not enjoy the wait or the ambiance of the location while I'm waiting. It's just fucking annoying. There's another boat going out. There's the station just off to our left over there. Now there is something I would like to pick up at the station related to this video, Burger Wars. Because they do have a map, a Sasebo map with all the burger shops in it. Or Sasebo Burger certified shops. Now, so far out of Burger Wars number 3, this is number 3, third place. Third place. The burger itself was really a hot sloppy mess. It was tasty. I really like that cheese that they put on it. I didn't like the fact that they couldn't modify the burger, double up on the meat, double up on the bacon. They wouldn't do it. So, there are some aspects that I could borrow from them. Oh, the wind almost blew the gimbal out of my hand. I could borrow from them and kind of say, okay, this burger shop has this to offer, this one has this to offer. Oh, you know, it's so great. If you take the best of all these little places, then you've got something really spectacular. But while we're waiting for the light here, guys, let me expand this. That is going to be it for this trip because there's nothing beyond